All right, you should now be on page 5. It says place value charts at the tippity top. Look at example 1. Write the value of the underlined digits below. Underline, underlined, so we know what we're looking for. Letter A, that number is 43 and 987 thousandths. Let's write that value in our place value chart so we can look at each of the place values. 4's in the 10s, 3's in the 1s, put our decimal place, and then we have a 9, an 8, and a 7. All right, 43 and 987 thousandths. The 8 is underlined, so let's underline that. And we can see now the 8 is in the hundredths place. Well, if the 8 is in the hundredths place, that is 8 hundredths. So the value we would write is 0 and 8 hundredths. All right, look at letter B. On your own, try to solve it as Mr. Phelps writes it on the board. Go. Okay, I've got my number written, and I underlined the 4. The 4 is in this new super small place value called the thousandths place. So there's 4 of those puppies, so we're going to write 0 and 0, 0, 4. We say this value 0 and 4 thousandths. Try letter C on your own. See if you can get it faster than Mr. Phelps. Go. All right, I finished writing my values in the place value chart. The 5 is underlined here. We would pronounce this number 23,492 and 523 thousandths. There's a lot of digits there. We'll keep practicing that together. But we care about just the underlined digit for right now. So the 5 is underlined, and the 5 we can see is in the tenths place. So the value of that 5 is 5 tenths. So we'd write 0.5. And we would say 0 and 5 tenths. Nice job. Example 2. Complete the blanks in the table below. Well, for our model, we know each one of these squares is worth 1 whole. This circle inside there is worth 1 whole. This is worth 1 whole. And then the box here, that whole thing is still worth 1 whole. It's just split into 100 pieces. So each piece represents 1/100th. Well, first we have 2 boxes that are totally shaded in. So that's going to be 2 wholes. So write in our fraction 2. And then we're going to have a mixed number here. The fraction would have a denominator of 100 because the fraction is split into 100 equal pieces. And now count how many pieces are shaded in. If you found 9 shaded in pieces, you're on the right track. So our fraction is 2 and 900ths. And our decimal looks like this. 2 point, and then 0 in the tenths place, and 9 in the hundredths place. We would pronounce this number 2 and 9 hundredths. Try the next example on your own.